guys, this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be this makeup look right here. So if you guys wanna know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to take my Body Soap Shea Butter Lip Balm. And then I'm going to take my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. It's on the shade Punjab. So we need to set it first. So I already moisturized and primed my face. So I'm going to take my foundation first. Okay, I'm blending with my beauty blender, wet sponge. So let bounce. So this is my first foundation. First ma मैले YouTube start गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ first मा मैले यो foundation किनेको थिएँ NARS को. मलाई यस्तो राम्रो लाग्यो, but I know it's very expensive है. तर पनि मलाई कस्तो मन परेको के. It's like full coverage अनि फर्स्ट मा यस्तो फनी भएको के. मैले र मेरो भान्जी पर्दीले सँगै किनेको नि त फाउन्डेसन अनि त्यसपछि कस्तो कमेडी सँगै किनेको अनि किन्दाखेरि चाहिँ सँगै किनेको अनि किनेर लिएर आयो त उसले किनेर लिएर आएको खास छैन नि अनि किनेर लिएर आएपछि चाहिँ यो चाहिँ वेटलेस फाउन्डेसन भनेर लेखेछ नि त हैन अब वेटलेस भनेपछि त अफ कोर्स काइन्ड अफ वाटरी हुन्छ अनि एकदम पातलो तर कस्तो फुल कभरेज क्या अनि हुन्छ अनि मैले यसरी ट्राई गरेको नि मैले अनि आइ किन हो यो यस्तो भएको कस्तो बिग्रेको जस्तो है टेक्सचर कस्तो खालको भन्यो अनि उसले पनि मैले ट्राई गर्दा त त्यहाँ त राम्रै थियो अनि यस्तो यो हामीलाई बिग्रेको परेछ क्या भनेर भनेन अनि त्यसपछि उसको मम्मीले चाहिँ यो फाउन्डेसन अब वेटलेस भनेपछि त यस्तै हुन्छ नि तिमीहरू त्यहाँ फर्केर नजाए तिमीहरूलाई यस्तो भयो उस्तो भयो भने तिमीहरूलाई बिल्ला गर्छ फाउन्डेसन नचिन्ने मान्छेहरू पनि कस्तो फाउन्डेसन किन आएको भनेर बिल्ला गरिहाल्यो भनेको अनि हामी त्यस्तो हाँसेको कि अनि त्यसपछि अनि फेरि डिब्बामा लेखेर रहेछ नि त सेक वेल भनेर अनि यसरी मजाले हल्लाएर यसरी सेक गरेर पछि ट्राई गरेको त अनि बल्ल राम्रो भइरहेको इट वाज लाइक सो फनी है हाम्रो फर्स्ट टाइममा फाउन्डेसन किन्दाखेरि द्याट वाज माई लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम फाउन्डेसन किनेको त्यो पनि त्यस्तो हो कि my god त्यसपछि I realized like product चिन्नुपर्छ पहिला कस्तो product कस्तो हुन्छ अनि बल्ल किन्नुपर्छ भन्दा हामी त्यहाँ फर्केर गयो त कमेडी हुने त्यहाँ बेइज्जत बिल्ला Okay, so next I'm going to try this ETUDE House Play 101 stick. It's a concealer plus contour. म चाहिँ पहिला लाइटर सेट लिन्छु कन्सिलरको लागि यसको चाहिँ मलाई कस्तो बास्ना एकदम मन पर्छ सो म चाहिँ कन्सिलर प्राय जस्तो मेरो यो आँखाको तल यो आई ब्यागहरु धेरै छ नि त अनि अलि हाइपर पिगमेन्टेसन पनि छ अनि मेरो फेसलाई हाइलाइट गर्नको लागि चाहिँ मेरो अनुहारको सेन्टरमा फोकस गरेर चाहिँ कन्सिलर लगाउँछु हैन अनि त्यसपछि कन्टुरिङको लागि चाहिँ मैले मेरो यो चिक बोनहरुलाई चाहिँ फोकस गर्छु and my nose my flat big nose. Okay, let's bounce again. So first I'm going to blend my concealer. So I'm taking my concealer to my eyelid as well so that I don't have to prime later. Okay, now contouring. पहिला सुरुमा मेकअप स्टार्ट नगर्नु भन्दा व्हाट इज मेकअप भनेर थाहा नहुँदाखेरि चाहिँ डिटेल साबुन रिमुभ गरेर जान्थे काममा जाँदाखेरि लाइक स्कुल जाँदाखेरि बाहिर जाँदाखेरि लाइक मुख धोएर जानुपर्छ, सफा भएर जानुपर्छ भनेर नुहाएर डिटोल साबुनले मुख धोएर लाइफबोय साबुनले मुख धोएर जान्थ्यो। अहिले चाहिँ ओहो के हो यति नक्कल पाउनुपर्छ है केटीहरूलाई, के गर्नु, यस्तै छ संसार, यस्तै छ। नक्कल नपाए नि हुन्थ्यो नि हुन त, तर सबैले गरेपछि आफूलाई पनि गर्न मिलाउने राम्रो गर्नुपर्ने रे के। संसारको रीतै त्यस्तो छ त। साँच्ची पहिला के लाउँदैन, मुख धोयो नि गयो। अहिले बिस्तारीको लाउनुपर्छ। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट अझै राम्रोसँग ब्लेन्ड भएन जस्तो छ। And blending is key. You need to blend it so well. Okay, so now I'm going to set my contour with my Hula bronzer from Benefit. So pigmented. कस्तो बिचारा केटीहरूलाई यस्तो दुःख गर्नुपर्छ। So now I'm going to set my concealer with my SHEA setting powder. यस्तो गरेर So I'm going to set all my concealer first. So I'm going to brush it off. Now our shading is done. Because आजकल चाहिँ धेरै सेटिङ पाउडर राख्नु मन लाग्दैन किनभने मेरो फेस अलिकति अब विन्टर लाउँदा अलिकति ड्राई हुन्छ नि त, त्यही भएर I'm going to use this blusher from Benefit. So अब चाहिँ favorite highlighter time. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter. Everybody knows this is my favorite highlighter. I'm going to put it on my highest point of my face. You can see that I want to rediscover. So now I'm going to take this Morphe 39 eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take this shade from here, this one. And this brush is from Morphe and blend. Okay, so first transition color is done. So after that I'm going to take this. So now I'm going to take this color from same eyeshadow palette, this one. Kind of burgundy, brownish burgundy tone. Okay, tap up the axis. I'm going to focus outer and inner corner. And blend. Like this. Same with other eyes. Circle, back and forth. Circle, back and forth. need to blend harder so that it doesn't look harsh. Blend harder. So don't make your hands stiff. So once you're happy with the blending, go with another color. So next I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush, this one, and I'm going to take this concealer. I'm going to do like this, look up, so that you can find the guideline here. Right here, and then look up. So after you apply concealer, it looks kind of like this. Then take your blending brush, the same blending brush, and blend it here. So now I'm going to take small eyeshadow brush and I'm going to spray some MAC face spray. And again I'm going to take the same highlighter and tip here like this. And I'm going to apply as my eyeshadow. Same with other eye. So now I'm going to take my Stella glitter. It's on the shade Smoky Strong. So don't worry about the harsh line, we're gonna blend there. So let it dry. Same set with same eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to blend it. And I'm going to blend it so that it doesn't look harsh. Like this. So I'm going to a little bit on top, like transitions here, just to intensify. Okay, so we are done. So I'm going to apply some eyeliner as well. So I'm going to take my eyeliner. It's a waterproof liner. It's from Rimmel London. It's in a black. So eyeliner is up to you how much thick you want or how much thin. Mine is kind of medium. So this is the only one eyeliner that doesn't smudge on my eyes. Okay, so if you're done with your eyeliner, I'm going to sop it up a little bit. Just like that. I'm not a big fan of liner, but if I have to wear, I need the softness. Okay, so that's it for eyeliner. Okay, I'm going to blend it here. So again, I'm going with the same eyeshadow, and I'm going to smoke it out my lower lash line. So I'm going to take black color, and I'm going to apply on my lash line. So next I'm going to highlight my inner corner. So next is my lipstick. It's from COLOURPOP. It's from COLOURPOP Hello Kitty Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. And it's on the shade Ribbon. Ribbon? So I already moisturized my lips, so let's get it. Okay, so I did my brows off camera and I already put on my falsies as well. So this is my final look. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.